Today we will start the second chapter of EVS and the chapter name is The Plant Fairy. So before I start the chapter, I want to tell you some important things. You have to make one EVS copy, one side rule and one side plain. If you don't have new copy, you will do that work in your rough copy. So in the first chapter we have studied about animals and that chapter name is the Poonam's Day Out. So I had sent you the exercise of that chapter. Okay, we have also discussed about the exercise of that chapter. So you have to copy that exercise in your copy. There are many exercises like hard words, give 2 examples of each of the following, jumble words, who am I. So you have to copy those exercise in your EVS copy. And I had given you some homework also, and the homework is you have to draw one pet animal, any pet animal and any one wild animal, and you have to color it. Now moving on to the next chapter. In this chapter we will talk about plants. Like our body has many parts, so same like plant has many parts. Okay, so now we will study important terms. Shoot. The part of a plant grows above the ground. It is a part of a plant that grows above the ground. See here, this is a plant. So the part of a plant that grows, this is a ground and it is above the ground. Now root. The part of a plant that grows under the ground. This is shoot and this is root. It is above the ground and it is under the ground. Lamina. The flat and broad part of a leaf is known as lamina. Stomata. The tiny pores in the leaves. In the leaves there are tiny pores which is known as stomata. Now we will discuss different parts of a plant. First is shoot. As we discussed that shoot is a part of a plant that grows above the ground. Shoot consists of fruit, it consists of stem, it consists of flower, it consists of leaf. Now this is a root. Root grows under the ground, it grows under the soil. Now we will discuss the part of shoot. Shoot consists of a stem. So what is a stem? What is the role of stem here? Stem, the first function is stem grows above the ground. It holds the plant and it gives supports to its branches. It holds the plant and it gives supports to its branches. Now we will come to leaf. What is the role of leaf here? As we know that living things require food for survival, for growth. Okay, same like plant also need food. From where they get the food? They get the food from leaf. Leaf prepare food for the plant. So leaf is also known as kitchen of the plant. It is also known as kitchen of the plant. So now have you heard about photosynthesis? Has anybody heard about photosynthesis? So what is a photosynthesis? Photosynthesis means green leaves prepare food in the presence of air, in the presence of water, in the presence of sunlight. It is known as photosynthesis. Now we'll move to a flower. Flower is the beautiful part of the plant. Flower, most of the flowers grows into fruit and it grows into seeds. Now this is a fruit. Okay, so it is also a part of a plant. Fruit, what is the role of fruit here? Does anybody know what is the role of fruit here? So there are seed inside the fruit. When we eat the food, we have seen seed inside the fruit. Some fruit have one seed, some fruit have few seeds, some fruit have many seeds, and some fruit have no seeds at all. Now give me the example of a fruit which contain only one seed. The example is mango. Mango contains only one seed. Now tell me papaya. Papaya contains how many seeds? We don't know the numbers, but we can identify that there are many seeds in the papaya. Now if I ask you banana, is banana contain any seeds? No, banana does not contain any seeds. So this is a fruit and this is a part of a plant which contain what? It contain seeds. So this is all about parts of plant. This is a shoot. Shoot consists of fruit, it consists of flower, it consists of stem, it consists of leaf, and this is a root. Now what you have to do in your EVS copy, this is the homework. Once you have done chapter 1, the exercise of chapter 1, then you will do from the new page, you will write chapter 2, the plant fairy, where on the plain page you will draw parts of a plant with its parts and you have to color parts of a plant. I will send you the how you will make parts of a plant and you will